Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about skincare, girl. This is my skincare routine video brought to you by MixEasy.com. Now MixEasy.com offers skincare products in which you can tailor to your own personal needs. Now I was afforded the opportunity to try two of the products. I chose a facial cleanser and the eye cream because those are what are most important to me in my skincare routine. I love a good cleanser and I need a good eye cream, girl. I live for an eye cream. Now to start my routine, I always begin with makeup wipes to remove any dirt or makeup from the skin, but today was a no makeup day, so we're just making sure there's no residual dirt on the skin before I apply my cleanser. Girl, this cleanser smells so good. I have it in the milk and honey scent. Now this cleanser will help me minimize my pores as well as help my skin stay nice and firm, and it has anti-aging properties. So yeah, you can create your own cleanser for your specific needs. So I always need anti-aging, girl, pore minimizing, and all that good stuff. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with my spin brush, yes, to get a good, deep, healthy clean. Look at that lather, yes, 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 yes. I just dampen these bristles with a little water and I put in that work. Now this does have one speed, so it is really gentle on the skin. It's nothing like you're gonna feel like you're ripping your skin off or hurting yourself. It's not really abrasive, but it's just effective enough to make sure your skin is clean, get the dirt out of those pores. I just love using a spin brush. It just feels so luxe. It's like a home spa. I love it. And I love the way my face looks afterwards. All nice and neat and polished. Looks so good, so good. Now here, I always pat my face dry with a damp cloth. I always use a damp cloth. It's just better than rubbing a dry cloth on the skin. That stresses out the skin. So make sure it's damp, girl. Make sure it's damp. Ooh, now that my skin is dry, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. I love this eye cream. I'm almost out. It's like halfway gone because I have been using it, girl, using it. It is among my favorites. So pat this under the eye, gently pat it under the eye because you don't want to stress out that under eye skin. Very sensitive skin under there. Very sensitive, girl. Very sensitive. So pat it on, pat it on. Get those lids, get those lids. Yes, pat it on, pat it on. Just like this, like so. And once I have that on to my liking, now I'm gonna moisturize the skin. Now this is my collagen oil, girl, by Morgan Miller. I picked this up from Amazon. I need that collagen in my life. Collagen will be your best friend. You need to incorporate some collagen oil in your skincare routine to keep your skin looking youthful and young and just bright. I just love the way my face looks when I do this. I've been using this for years now, at least 3 years. 3 years with the collagen oil, girl. Collagen oil. Now I'm gonna go in and just roll it in, just using my quartz, my Rose Quartz Jade Roller. Massage it in, massage it into the skin. And it is cool. I do normally keep it in the refrigerator. Now it just helps with depuffing under the eyes, you know, all that good stuff, lymphatic drainage, and it just feels good, girl. It just feels good being all extra. It feels good. Now next, we cannot forget those lips. Gotta keep those lips moisturized, girl. They're on our face, they're part of our skin, and we don't want our skin looking all youthful and our lips looking old. We don't want that. So make sure we use an anti-aging lip balm on the lips. And yeah, that is it, girl. And that is how I keep my skin looking all nice, neat, and flawless. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.